Using ZoID to allow the visitor to register and perform self-declaration is easy. Scan the unique QR code using their mobile phone. They will be brought to a web page to enter their personal contacting information. You can even ask them to state their temperature taken, after which they will need to declare their health and travel information. The information will only be accessible by you on your ZoID app. You can also choose to export the data to Excel and email to any relevant parties when necessary. This is ZoID. Thank you.